It's day 2 and now it's kitchen declutter time. I am thinking maybe just the surface stuff real quick we'll declutter, and then we'll go into the shelves and the island stuff. This one is already melty and nasty. We've had it for a long time. And then this one is a little melty, but we haven't gotten a replacement yet. I do want to get a replacement for these, but for now, this one will stay and I could get rid of this one. And then these two are similar. I want to get replacements. I don't want plastic anymore. Let's see. I don't know which one's better. I think this one's cheaper. I'll leave this one for now. I don't have a replacement for this one, but it is a little melty, but we're getting a replacement for now. Okay. This, I don't ever really do mashed potatoes. I use this sometimes for when I boil my beans, but it was a dollar store when it had bent, and now when I do beans, I just blend them. So these in the trash. This is an ice cream scooper, which we never use. I think I'm gonna put in donate. So this one will go aside. This one's just for cleaning, so I'm gonna put it under the sink. These I sometimes use when I have my cold brew because just they're kind of big to be moving everything around. So I'm gonna keep these two. Scissors come in handy. These we end up using as well. This I use sometimes. So this is good. I have more big utensils in the thing, so I might move some up here. So we're starting off with new bags. So the donate and the trash. And then the later I'll just set aside separately. The keep I'm just gonna be putting back. So this is trash. Donate. The donate on the floor. All right. So these we don't ever use. They're cheap little knives and it looks like they're rusting down here. So these are trash. I mean, we use chopsticks when we do our Korean barbecue at home. Some of them are wasted away. We have to throw some away. So this one and this one. They're different colors though. This one is a different color. Okay. Well, this one, we would just be left with these. So we would just have two, and we've been wanting to get some metal ones. So this is all we need. We'll keep these. This is trash. This one, I do use it still sometimes, or for cleaning the straws. I've been meaning to throw away this glass one because they say it's dangerous. And I have all these metal ones. Trash. I don't really want to gift it and endanger anyone either. Now a lot of these I don't use. I don't really use these bent ones. Looking a little rusty. Don't need that many. This one looks a little rusty, and I don't really trust these twisty ones to be cleaned. So we're keeping these three. Spoons and forks are fine. My Tiranis have lids because we've gotten an ant problem with the pumps. So this is extra trash. These are for my popsicle maker, which I haven't really used. My niece might like it, so I think I'm gonna give these to her. These are just wine corks. They're only can opener. And then these are to clean certain things, so I'm gonna put these under the sink where I have all my brushes and stuff. I never really use this one. It's like to pour softly, I think. So I'm gonna throw this one out. And then this one, I do use it sometimes when it's a cork wine. This one helps keep it fresh in there. I'm not sure where it goes, so I'm gonna set it aside. It might have been for a water bottle we don't have anymore. These are the leftovers. This one has different peelers here, and I heard that like for tomatoes, like a specific type of peel, these are easy because it actually grips and then it slices. So like I think for apples and tomatoes, this one. I need to use it, but I'm keeping it for now. This is for the blender, which I'm not sure. We've never really used it. I think we could probably throw this away, but we'll see. It's undecided. I need to get my fiance's perspective on it, but I don't think we need it. I don't ever use the garlic press, but I mean, we'll keep it for now. I don't really use it, but I normally like buying my garlic minced, but we'll keep it for now. I have a salad chopper, which I never use, so I might just donate. I had this for so many years now, so we'll put it in the donate pile. I don't really use any of these knives except for this one, which has a little sharpener. So I'm keeping this one with the knife. And then we have been eating steak knives. We just threw those away, but we don't normally use regular steak knives. We just use our flat, sharp ones. And this one's an actual steak knife, I think. I'm gonna have this one on the side. We'll keep that, and we're gonna donate these. And then this is just the cover to one of the knives that we do use on rotation. So I'll keep that, donate for these. And this I use whenever I'm putting oil on my fish that I bake. So keep. Okay, and we have all these. We threw a bunch away recently, a week ago, and we left these, but now that I'm looking at it again, I think we'll just throw them away. I'll keep one just because we now have 2 of our reusable ones. So I'll keep one, whichever one looks the nicest. I'll keep this one. I'll throw everything else away. Maybe we'll do a second set. Okay, we'll keep these 2. Throw all these away. These in another area, and these we've had for a while. These can go to the trash. This is like the snack area. Key. Prescription, trash. Whitening strips, trash. These are still good. Expired February. Only thing here is probably this one. I've been reusing it, but we have a lot of them. I'll throw this one away. All these we use. We have all the pans to these lids. We just need to wipe and put back. Let's grab these things. So these are 2 big pans, and they have grills. They're fine down there. Sometimes I do use 2 of the big ones. So we'll just keep this here. I already wiped. And then I have these 2 cutting boards. This one's getting a little old now, but we use it. So I'm keeping these 2, and then definitely this one needs to go. I've been telling myself, this is horrible. This is unacceptable. This is horrible. I'm throwing it away. These I've had for a long time, but they do come in handy sometimes when I'm cooking a certain amount. They are from the dollar store, but I normally put a thing over it, and they're fine. They've gotten me out of a pinch. They don't need to be beautiful, and I'm using them. So for my tortillas. Okay, so now that's that. Down here, the bottom drawer that's kind of forgotten. I don't normally do muffins, but I have done some, and so I want to keep it. I have silicone cups that go in here, and then this old air fryer. We used to use it when the steak would come out. We would put it here, and that way it would drip to the bottom. We don't really need that many of them. So I'm gonna set these aside and decide later. Maybe I'll just keep one set, but we'll see. Setting them aside. This one for sure we're keeping, and that's at the bottom row. And then these are on rotation. We use the air fryer a lot, and sometimes we'll use this one, sometimes we'll use this one, and this one catches the oil. So these for sure. And then these we'll use for Korean barbecue. This is as the lid sometimes, and we'll put all the meat in here. And then when we do steaks, this one we also put the steak up here, let it drain to the bottom. So always use these. Decided on keeping one of these and 2 of the solid ones. So that part's done. Next is this. The pizza cutter, we don't use that often, but we have used it. And if we do like a flatbread pizza, we would use it. And so I'm gonna keep this for now. This is a can opener, and this grater, I'm gonna put it with the other spoon. Since now it's more clear, this would make sense to add it over there. And these brushes, I'm gonna put them under the sink with all of my other cleaning sink stuff. This is espresso machine stuff. I think I'm gonna hold off for now on throwing this stuff out, but I'll put it way in there. This is stuff to clean the Breville. I probably won't ever use this. Not even good. I'm gonna throw this one away. Stuff to clean it, and then this, I think it's where that razor thing came. We don't need that. I'm gonna throw that away. It's trash. These we'll keep. And then this is part of a different air fryer that we own. I'll put this when there's a hot pot to put on the table. I use this. Now this rice stuff, I've been wanting to do sushi. I'm gonna keep it. We'll see if I make it. And then the clips, and then some measuring cups. And this is an extra gallon one, which we don't really use. We'll keep it. Maybe I'll give it away another time. We'll keep that. So we'll do these, that one, and these top two. And then actually we'll also do this up here. I'm bringing them all into the island. This was the chopped salad thing that I never really used. Donate. This one was a zucchini spiralizer and slash like lemon thingy, so you can squeeze some lemon or make some orange juice. So donate. I will rotate my coffee beans, having them here, and then I have two smaller sizes, so this is a keep. I use this one sometimes when I do my cookies. This is one of my common water bottles that I use. I just store it up there because it's huge. I use this to wash my lettuce, this one for my cookies, and this bottom one whenever we need to like season something. So we always use these. Now this one, it's a tiny little crock pot. I do want to use it more often, but I need to look up recipes. I'm gonna try to see if I can put this more visible so I can use it more often. For now, I'm gonna put all these back, and then later I'll figure out where I'm gonna put this crock pot. So this one has sentimental value. His mom has been heating up milk in this since he was a little kid.
Since when I was a wee lad, a little Mexican mocoso, my mom's been making hot chocolate in that for me. I was 5 years old, bro. I remember being 5 years old and my mom putting in the chocolate abuelita in there. That, one of those. They don't make them like that no more, babe.
Okay, so we're keeping this because sentimental value. He's used it a couple times. It's been hidden away, so I'm gonna put it up on the top shelf with the other pans. And so that way he'll be more tempted to use it, or it'll just be in my way when I'm trying to get my pan.
No, just put it away, but I definitely don't want to, I don't want to get rid of that. That's too like...
Okay, we just have to remember next time you wanna heat up milk, which you never do because we don't have chocolate.
But the time
it's gonna be on the bottom shelf, okay?
I've used that in this apartment before. I've used that here.
Okay, one time?
Maybe one time.
Okay,
but
it's okay. We're keeping it. We're keeping it. And then this one too.
Pégame.
It's because it's a really long video already. And then this one too was a gift, and I do feel bad throwing it away because I don't use it. I just do my salsas real quick, boiled and blended. But I do keep my onion out and my garlic, and I think it will look really cute on this instead of my glass container. So I'm gonna do that, and we'll keep this. This one we're gonna donate. It's a hassle to clean it. I don't even, it's like ugly because I haven't been able to clean it well. So that one's a donate, but it's real heavy. So it might actually be a directly donate to Goodwill. I didn't know that we had this one, which is brand new. So it'll be added to the collection after I wash it. This is just a dirty one. I collect them there until I can wash a bunch. And just we have random paper plates that we don't even use. So I'm just gonna throw these away. And then I keep some cloths to clean. I swapped the bag. It was a paper bag that was ripping, so I just put this one a little more durable, and that is it. This is stuff we're keeping on the top shelf. This one It's for travel. These are duplicate of one kind, so he is gonna keep this one. This one's his brother, but it's not very common, so it'll go here. When we don't have water, these are backups. The Brita filter. We have a jug that we use for just regular cold water in the fridge, and then this is part of it. And this is the new filters. Is under here before. As you can see from my crazy hair, it's been a very long day decluttering the kitchen. I didn't think the kitchen was gonna be harder than the closet, but okay, so everything is put away, and this right here, this is the donation pile, and this toaster we don't ever use, some of this stuff, and then this is a bunch of just random trash that I threw out from the declutter, and then these are like the bigger trash stuff too, so this it's heavier stuff that's trash. And then those boxes I just emptied out from the extra food that we had in the island. And then all these boxes and bags are trash as well. And then I cleaned quickly the fridge and the freezer, but the freezer didn't really have much stuff. So we're good. And tomorrow is another day. I think it's the living room. So we'll do that, but I managed to do the kitchen. It was a lot. I'll see you guys tomorrow.